Hello beautiful people, this is Mahindur Rahman and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show how to shoot a video in Android properly and nicely. So let's start this video. Welcome back guys. If you have a high configuration Android and this camera is very good, I suggest you shoot video in this phone camera, or you have an iPhone, I suggest same thing. But if you have medium configuration phone, you need to download an app, Open Camera. After downloading this app, you need to open this app. If you have any microphone, you need to go setting option and go video setting, and then go to the audio source and click the external mic. But if you don't have any microphone, you need to go setting option, then go video setting and click the default audio and back here. If you feel your video brightness is not enough, you click this option and control your video brightness. Then you lock exposure, because if you lock this exposure, your video brightness controls and not shaking, etc. When you start shoot video, I always suggest you have any tripod, you put your phone in this tripod. But if you don't have any tripod, you should try not to shake your phone many times, or you put your phone in bookshelf, table, etc. But if you have tripod, it's looking very nice. You always remember that your phone camera must be put front of your eyes, because it will be custom your video level and your video looking very nice. If you guys enjoy this video, please like, share and hit the